Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited about this video. As the title say, I am going to share something with you guys that normally I don't really share, or I was wondering if I wanted to share it on this platform. But hey, what, guess what, you guys are my supporters. You guys always watch me, whether I want somebody to watch me or 50% watch me or 100. I love y'all. Okay, so I decided to just give you a little insight on what's going on, since I have a lot of plans for my channel going forward and things has really changed. In my previous video, when I remember when I did about what's new for my channel and etc, I said to you guys, oh, there's a lot of changes, and there are a lot of changes. So your girl is going to have a baby. Yes, I am pregnant. Just saying that just scares the hell out of me. But yes, your girl is gonna have a baby and I'm so excited. Like, it's all teeth over here, okay? Yes, I'm gonna have a baby. I'm currently pregnant and I'm actually 7 months.
Now this ain't real. This ain't real. Ain't no damn.
I'm going to the doctor Friday. That's gonna make it fully 7 months pregnant. And you're probably like, bitch, sis, wait, what's going on? I know, I'm just that type of person. I'm just kind of more private, and it's not even that. I have people who watch me. See you, I know you watching, okay? I know you watching. And yeah, I don't want to give them the information too early, so I say, yeah, the first time, let's talk about when I found out that I was pregnant, guys. I remember, because I'm a type of person like this, you know, I always be taking tests. I don't know why, but I'm just always that person to always take tests. If I feel funny or whatever, I'm gonna take a test. So when I took, I'm like, you know what, I feel like I'm pregnant. I don't know, you know, the instinct. So I was like, you know what, let me go do a test. And I was pregnant. And then I was like, oh my god, like I literally go like this. And then I came out the bathroom and then I went to my husband and I'm like, and then he's like, pregnant? What? And I'm like, what? You did this to me. You did this to me. But yeah, I am all joy over here, all cheers, all, you know, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see my baby. I love kids. I really love kids. I just can't wait to share. I really don't know if I'm gonna share it on here because I like my space and I feel like that is mine, you know, my little world. I feel like I should keep it to myself, but you know, you guys may see certain little changes here and there throughout my videos going forward. So, and next thing too, I must also add that this is not my first time having a child. I have a son already. He's a big boy, really big boy. So it's not my first time having a child, but you know, I am very good at keeping my business to myself, and I feel more comfortable like that, you know, not everybody up in my business and stuff. And it's something that I need to let go of and also keep, because I realize I don't let people close to me. I'm so guarded. I'm very guarded of my space because, you know, I've experienced certain things with people and it's not nice. Okay, it is not nice. So I try to just stay to myself, keep my business to myself, and enjoy my life. And I'm so happy over here. If I tell anybody like I'm sad or going through anything, I can't tell when last I feel sad in the sense of like, you know, just down in my thoughts. Those are like back in the day type of thing. And I'm so happy about the growth. And so, you know, this video is getting too deep. Whatever. That's my news. I'm so excited to share with you guys. Let me know in the comments what's your thought. Just be honest. But I thought I'll drop the good news. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, where I might just give you some surprise again. Hey, I might just be having twins. You never know. You never know with me. You never know. Bye guys.